Alright, time for day 20. Let's see what we've got going here. Where's number 20? We only got 5 more doors to open. 4 after this is open. But anyway, let's go ahead and get this little thing started. Oh hey, it's the little drill platform laser... What the heck is going on? Thing. Alright, well, let's get it built. Alright. Felix is trying to say hi underneath the door again, so I might have to go yell at him shortly, but maybe he'll leave me alone tonight. Anyway, so let's go ahead and start building this. This is a bigger model, but it's got fewer pieces than what we built last night. Okay, so, ooh, we get to use things. So I guess this is going to go like this. So we put the little pins there. These are the friction pins too, so they don't rotate as readily. So, and then the little Technics pieces will go like that. Looks like this goes on one side like that, and then this regular red one goes like this. Oops. Alright, now I'm going to set that aside for a moment and build the drill, or whatever it is. So I get the yellow bit with the clip and the red bit with the clip, and we'll stick one of the thingies in it like so, and then that clips onto there. So that's what that does. And then we need this, a 2x2 plate with a 1x2 plate on it. The little gray stud goes there, and the little windowy thing goes here, and then this whole assembly goes on top of that. Alright, and then that goes like that. That's pretty cool, because this piece can move around a little bit, and then this piece can move around a little bit, and you can actually properly play with that one. Alright, well that's pretty cool. So that's day 20. Only 4 more days left until Christmas. If you haven't already, consider clicking here to subscribe. Right over here is a video that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy. Right here is the LEGO Advent Calendar playlist, and right here is a link to Patreon that you can use to help support the other things I do in this channel. Thanks so much for joining me, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.